That's right.
It's so dark.
You know, in daylight, at least you can see, oh, the guy up ahead of me is hitting that big puddle. But at night, yes, tough. I took it pretty slow coming in.
Yeah.
As I told Sal, if 80 is in your drive, watch out around Gilman. There was a lot of water standing there. Okay, we'll take a look at some rain totals here. I'm sure these will change with every hour, if not every half hour. Chris Henry down in Morgan Hill, an inch and a third, 1.36 as of just shy of about 5 a.m. Rain rates 0.6 to 0.7 an hour. That's pretty good. Anything over a half inch is considered a pretty heavy rain rate. Roads are flooded in parts of Morgan Hill. Other locations, again, it looks like, again, the Santa Cruz Mountains are going to take the brunt of this. In the last 24 hours, Ben Lomond over 3, Boulder Creek 2.60. There's been some pretty good rain, though, in Marin County and also northward up towards Santa Rosa as well. Guerneville 2.44, Sleepy Hollow in Marin County 2 1/3, Lake Sonoma 2 1/4, San Rafael also at 2 1/4. Other locations including Santa Rosa over 2 inches, San Anselmo over 2, Sonoma 1.81, Napa 1.61, Los Altos has had good rain, 1 inch and 10/100ths, Oakland just shy of that, SFO 0.90, and San Francisco 0.85. The system that we have today is the heavier deep moisture. It's on a conveyor belt of moisture. And the moisture transport is very, very, very robust. So that's why we're getting some of this heavier rain. High wind warning goes till I think about 8:30 or something like that. But you know, it's just broad brush out on that kind of stuff. Hazardous travel for the reasons we've already mentioned. But the moisture will continue to come in. Now there should be a break. There is a back edge to this. Southeast 41 gust to Travis, 30 to 40 at Oakland so far. Half Moon Bay's been 37 to 44, now 35. And San Jose's calmed down a little bit. Mountain View's 20, but I've seen gusts SFO now south wind to 35 miles per hour. But there is a back edge to this right here, and you can see. So we should start to see a decrease late morning, early afternoon as this slides south, but it's going to be late morning at best to early afternoon. Rain totals between today and tomorrow, again, seem to favor the Santa Cruz Mountains, but Fremont looking for good rain. Fairfield looking for good rain as well. So there will be some 2 to 3 inch amounts. Morgan Hill and there at Livermore, too, would be excessive. I mean, that's pretty good for them. Now, there will be a decrease in some of the moisture to the north. For the Sierra, it's a heavy, wet snow. It looks like around 5,500 feet. Now, the snow level will go up today and then come down again tomorrow, but another 2 to 3 feet, easily 4 plus. You get above 7,000 feet. But there will be a lot of heavy, wet Sierra cement up there. 50s and 60s on the temps, a very warm air mass. I would look for rain, morning rain, moderate to heavy, decreasing in the afternoon. The wind will be turned more windy to blustery. And then the secondary piece of that energy is coming in tomorrow. That could trigger some thunderstorms. That has better dynamics, better cold air support. We'll get some rain into Wednesday, a break Wednesday night, Thursday. Looks like some light rain Friday, a colder system on Saturday, and one more piece of energy Sunday before there are some hints of a break going in out towards the 19th and 20th, which would make some sense. Rain off and on into about Wednesday afternoon, a break Thursday. Could be some rain coming in Friday for sure, though, it looks like on Saturday, you guys.
Steve, thank you.